Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, man, that sun is right there in my eyes. Oh my God. But guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know I am. We're out here, it's hot, but that's okay. We're gonna be grilling pizzas on the Weber Kettle. Specifically, I've got an Italian, it's my version of a Zesty Italian Pizza. I think I did a version of this inside on the Emerald 360, but we're doing it out here on the grill tonight. Show you how I set that up. I've done it before, but haven't done this pizza out here before, so let's get going, guys. We're gonna prep this thing up. Prime 6 charcoal. You guys know I don't make my own homemade pizza dough. We've discussed that before, but I tell you what, if I ever do, I'm gonna try to match this stuff. I found this over the deli section of my grocery store. Stone for authentic flatbreads and pizza dough. I've fallen in love with this, guys. So if you're looking for a pre-made pizza crust, check it out. See if you got it in your area. Hey guys, you see me use these pizza screens before. This is a 12-inch pizza screen, which works perfect for this type of cook. I also use it inside in here in the Emerald 360 when I'm cooking pizzas that way. But I specifically bought them for the grill. There's our beautiful little 12-inch pizza crust. Just using this, I don't know how to say, contadina. I know I'm saying that wrong. With the pizza sauce. Buy these little squeeze bottles just because I can put them in the fridge and reuse them. Comes in real handy. With youngins, we do pizza a lot. I don't know if that's gonna be enough. I'm actually doing 2 pizza, guys, but we're just gonna concentrate on one. One's just a little pepperoni pizza for the grandson. He don't like these big fancy things. We're going to dust this with just a little Italian seasoning. I'm going to use a whole lot here. We'll add more later. I'm going to add just a thin little layer of cheese on the bottom. This is a mixture of mozzarella and provolone. That's perfect for now. We'll come back and add some more here in a bit. Alright, let's start building this thing. Do a layer of pepperoni on the outside. Perfect. Let's come in here with some hard salami on the next row. I think you get the picture there. Let's go ahead, right there. Looks like I'm out of real estate. I guess I need to work my way up. Some Italian sausage. Oh, look at there. Alright, let's make this thing zesty. Got some banana peppers we're going to put throughout. This is my most requested pizza by my wife, for the record. She loves this pizza. I gotta admit I like it too. And let's start topping this off with more cheese. All right, you look at that beautiful thing right there. We're almost done. And just because we're on a roll here, I got some, I guess I'm gonna take some of the Italian out of it. This is some 4 cheese Mexican cheese. Got some Monterey Jack in there. I don't know what else it's got. Let's look at that. Monterey Jack, cheddar cheese, queso quesadilla, I don't know, and assorted cheese. So I'll tell you, I've used this before and it's very tasty on a pizza. That thing is almost an inch tall, maybe a little over an inch tall. And let's finish up with just a little bit more of this Italian seasoning right on top. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna try to pour this just on this one back side only, as closest to the wall as I can get it. I got some of that grease buildup back there from a previous cook. I'm just gonna let that burn off a minute. Ooh, it's hot. That's how we want that set up right there. Much of this, we don't want any heat under the pizza. Grate on. These are my charcoal baskets. This will raise the pizza up. Get our lid on and bring this thing up to temp. Alright, let's do this, folks. Get this pizza on here. I'll be rotating this about every 3 to 3.5 minutes or so. Hey, special note, got my heat source over here. I want my vent on the opposite side so the heat flow will come all the way over the pizza and under the pizza. Okay, 3.5 minutes are up. I'm gonna turn this thing 180 degrees. We are about 6 minutes in, guys. I'm gonna give this one a quarter turn. Okay, for one last time, guys. I'm gonna turn this 180 degrees. Ooh! That was a close call. Y'all didn't see that, did you? Alright, one last time, guys. We're gonna cook it here till it's done, which won't be much longer. Alright, I do believe we are there. Would you look at that? Is that a thing of beauty or not? Pull this thing inside. Be very careful not to drop it this time. Alright. We know it'll slide off easy. I about did that on the grill. Look at that beauty, guys. Let this rest for a second. We'll get our cutter up and do a taste test. Alright, give this thing a cut. Get a taste of that. Oh my goodness, it is hot outside. It's like it's July or something. Okay, look at that, guys. That's a healthy pizza. Great crust, perfect, nice and crisp. Oh my God, I love that stone fire crust. Definitely a little zesty pizza. That stone fire crust is perfect. That's, like I said in the beginning of the video, if I ever start making my own pizza dough, I'm gonna try to mimic this stuff. It is great. Definitely Italian, zesty. Banana peppers just make this what it is. It's the most requested pizza I make by my wife. What do you think, baby?
It's great. Oh my gosh. This is really good.
Tell you what, that Prime 6 charcoal, that burns so clean.
It's good.
Ethan likes it. Ethan likes it too. Guys, one more bite. Guys, thank you so much once again. Another pizza video. Haven't done one in a while. So it's fun. It's fun to get back out there on the Weber Kettle and do pizza again. Haven't done that in a while. So guys, thank you as always, guys, and thank you as always, and we will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.